Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide how to fix the issue. File Explorer tabs are not working on Windows 11 and you are not able to get these options on Windows 11. So first of all, you need to make sure that you are running the Windows 11 22 S2 and later on your Windows. Like 25 S2 is latest as of now and 24 S2, 23 S2 and it should be at least 22 S2. So by default this should be enabled on your Windows. If it is not enabled on your Windows, you need to go for check for update and use the latest Windows. If you are already using the latest Windows and these options are still not showing, then what you can do is you can open the CMD as admin and type this command sfc space / scan now, and this will fix the file corruption if you have any. It is saying to restart the Windows. Also restart and update your Windows. Sometime older Windows can cause this issue. And once you restart your Windows, come over to the CMD, run it as admin again and run this command as admin, and you should able to fix your issue now. If that is also not working and before it was working fine a few days, so click on system restore. Click on system restore. It should be on your system, otherwise it wouldn't work. Just select latest one, next, finish, and click on yes option. Once you click on yes option, your system will be restarted and your issue will be fixed after that. If nothing works for you, then I should suggest you to go ahead and reset your PC. Just click on reset PC, choose the keep my files or backup your data, otherwise you can choose the remove everything. Only your C drive is going to format from here, this drive, so you can back up your data into D drive and thereafter perform this. Choose the cloud download, make sure you have at least 4 GB of data, otherwise you can choose local reinstall. Just hit next and your issue will be fixed after that. So these are the possible solutions to fix this issue guys, and I hope your issue is fixed now. If your issue is fixed, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.